Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shweta. Hope you guys are doing well. So as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be a haul video, specifically clothes haul video, and these are all the clothes that I shopped in the past few months. So without any further ado, let's barge in the video. The first thing that I want to show you guys are these blue denims which I bought from Uniqlo. They are regular straight fit pants and are high waisted and are rugged by the knee area. Also they were so comfortable and looked so good and classy on me, which made me buy them. Also, as you guys can see, they were a bit too long for me, so I cuffed them up to give my legs a nice edgy look. Next jeans is from Forever 21 and is in dull black color. This jeans hugs your legs very nicely and is not too loose, not too tight, as the fit of this jeans is a mom fit. The main reason why I bought these jeans for, firstly they were high waisted, and secondly they had button fly rather than zip fly. Now I am going to show you my informal shirt which I bought from H&M. It has a blue and white vertical stripes running all over it. It's a cotton plus transparent shirt, so wear a nude innerwear beneath it if you are not comfortable with the nudity. The next thing that I am going to show you guys is a lower from a brand named Tokyo Talkies, available on Myntra. The lower is comfortable, true to its size, and the fit was also very nice. It has a detail going on both the sides, and most importantly they have pockets in them. This striped oversized t-shirt is again from Uniqlo and has my heart. It's very comfortable and breathable. Also, the quality of the t-shirt is so good. It's not too thick, not too thin. It's just perfect. These three t-shirts are from one of my most favorite brand, Vero Moda. I don't know why, but I love their collection. The first t-shirt that I am showing you guys is of orangey shade and has a print with a New York written over it. The next t-shirt is very simple and plain, and it's of brick brown color, and the word thought is written in a vertical way in the middle of it. The last t-shirt which I bought from Vero Moda is in black color and has a print in the middle with the words Iceland running over it. All these t-shirts are very basic, which you can wear at home or at college or wherever you want to pull them off. The next thing that I am going to show you guys are these loose fit shorts which I bought from Myntra from the brand name Purplicious. These shorts are of very good quality and are way too comfy and cozy, and I am sure you guys will love wearing them. Also, these shorts doesn't have a zip fly or button fly. That's why they have a elastic which is of very good quality and is very sturdy, plus they are high waisted. Now comes one of my cute little lavender skirt which I bought from Forever 21. Guys, when I saw this skirt, I was like, I want it. This skirt is so cute. Also, the material is cotton, which makes it more comfortable to wear, and it has a cute little zip on back. Next thing is a t-shirt dress which is from a brand named Cook and Keech, available on Myntra. It's a red color cute dress and come above knees, at least for the girls who are 5 feet or taller, and there are words written on the front side of the dress, and it goes like, stay away, heartbreakers around. Here comes another skirt which I purchased from H&M. The skirt is in a denim material and is of black color. Also, it's a A-line skirt. Next piece of clothing is again from Uniqlo. It's a basic t-shirt with two contrasting shades going all over it. The shades are white and lavender. It has a graphic print in the middle which makes it look more attractive and gorgeous. These shorts are again from Myntra from a brand named Mast and Haber. It's of light teal green color with a floral print running all over it, which makes the shorts look cute and joyful. And for your information, the fabric of the cloth is a polyester. Last item for our haul is again a denim jeans which I bought from Levi's. They are high-waisted, and high-waisted jeans are something that every girl should have them in their wardrobe as they make you look taller and slimmer. Also, if the jeans is too long for you, then fold them inside or cuff them up to give your legs some nice height, classy and edgy look. That's it guys for today's video. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also ring the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you next time. Till then, bye, take care.